Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. Happy end of year. We made it. We have a week left and we're going to get out of 2020. Yay! So happy, joy. I hope that your 2021 is blessed and good and kind. All right, I want to show you something that I got, and I am so excited and I'm very anxious to try it. Lisa Stavinoha with, um, oh goodness, Arts and Crafts Central. Oh, my mind just went blank. On Facebook, sent these to me, and she'd also done a video on her YouTube channel, and I will link that. Um, she recently changed her YouTube channel name, and I'm not sure what it is right this second, but I will link the video. But this, I watched the video when she made these, and I was like, that looks really kind of interesting. That's cool. And it doesn't look hard. But then when I saw them in person, oh my gosh, they're amazing. So it's just a tag. I mean, just a regular tag that you would have. Or you can cut it out of, folder or whatever. But then she used caulking, like from the Dollar Tree, I think, and just smeared it on. Kind of didn't make it real smooth, just kind of texturedy. And then on this one, she clearly had, a couple of stickers behind it or on it, and then just went around it and then sprinkled in some glitter. I mean, that looks easy enough that I might could do that. But look how cool it is. You see all that? And look at this one. I mean, it's thick, and she put trimmer on the outside, a little twine. But look how dimensional, and glitter in that one. Just gorgeous. And look at this one. A little brooch. Might be an earring. I don't want to pull on it, but isn't it gorgeous? And she just kind of smeared it around with her finger so that it would have texture. What? I really think I could do that. I'm gonna try. But what I like so much is the price point of making these, because she used, it was either the spackling or the caulking, and I think either of them would do the same thing, but Dollar Tree sells both of them. So I'm gonna try it. And then look at this sweet, it's an envelope. Look how sweet it is. It looks like maybe made out of scrapbook paper, and then she added in some, it might be glittery fingernail polish. I'm not sure, but it's in some glitter here, and then just some bling. What a great idea. And a sweet little poinsettia on the back. It's gorgeous. So I wanted to show you. I won a prize on her channel, and I was so excited when I got it, and then I opened it up and there's extra goodies. I was extra surprised. Okay, well, that is it. I just want to show you that. I'll put the links down below and you go take a look. And she has some interesting videos, and she's always very conscious of cost and effort. How much effort it would take us to actually do it. So I'm always very pleased with the way she comes about things, because some stuff is just too hard, and I appreciate her being mindful of that. Anyway, I will link below. Y'all have a good few days before the year changes over, and all of those things, and take care of yourself. Talk to you soon.